All right, I'm the flat rate master, and today we're talking about diagnostic fees. Plumbers charge it, why can't we? All right, I'm going to start this video out with a story. My mother-in-law had a water leak in her laundry room, the wall between her laundry room and a sitting room. She has a home warranty, so she contacted a home warranty company. They said, you need to have a plumber come out and diagnose the problem. Okay. Plumber charged $125, came out, looked at everything, and said, oh, it's in the concrete under the floor, so your best bet is to just reroute all the pressure lines through the ceiling. Okay, $3,000 to $5,000. You know, we questioned it a little bit, so she hired a water leak company that specializes in water leaks. So they came out there, charged her $50 to look at the house. They said the same thing. It's in the concrete. Okay, do the same thing. They want to run it through the ceiling. That's the best solution. Okay. So $3,000 to $5,000 to fix a water leak, plus repairing all the damage that has happened from that water leak. So I got called in to take a third opinion at it. And I'm not a plumber, I'm not I don't fix water pipes. I go in there, I noticed on the one side of the wall, there's a little spot. Didn't remember that spot there. Keep that in the back of my mind. I go on, look at, kind of where the water is going, and I notice this drywall is all spongy. Okay, well, why is it all spongy if it's under the concrete? So I removed the utility sink, cut some of the drywall out, because they didn't do any of that. All they did was look at it, and the water guy listened. I cut some of the drywall out. It was like marshmallow. Except not sticky, it was just goo. The leak was not under the utility sink water lines. Okay, so I move over. Cut another section out. It was the drain for the washing machine. They charged my mother-in-law $175, and they couldn't figure it out because they didn't do anything. Me, an amateur, found the problem in 15 minutes with a utility knife and a screwdriver and a wrench. I had to use a wrench too, take the sink out. But they charged $175 between the two of them to come out, look at it, not do anything. When I was asked to look at it, I was expecting to see the wall tore apart. Nope, didn't do anything. Didn't even push on the wall, push on the drywall. So, with that story said, why is it so hard for us as an industry to charge diagnostic fees? We're experts. Now, admittedly, some shops pull codes, throw parts. It's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about professional shops that diagnose cars correctly. Why can't we ask for money for that expertise? It's unfortunately, there's many reasons for it. Lazy service writers, the part stores pushing the free diagnostics, and unfortunately, as an industry, we have not done a good job of educating the public on why we charge diagnostic fees. But think about it. Dealerships, I can tell you right now, every one of them charges a diagnostic fee. You come in there with a check engine light, you're getting a fee. They're not giving it back to you. You're paying a line item of diagnostic. So independent shops, why can't you charge it? You're using your expertise to fix their car, to diagnose and fix their car. Why can't you charge it? Get over it. start asking for the money. Your technicians, you send them to training, they do a great job diagnosing cars, get money for it. That's what we're here for, to make money. So I know it's a little bit of a rant video for a Monday, but it blows my mind why people in this industry will not ask for diagnostic fees, period. You want us to spend a bunch of time looking at your car, but you don't want to pay for it. And yet you wonder why that shop that won't charge diagnostic fees can't fix it. So, hope you like this video. I know it was a rant and it's a Monday video, but let me know what you think. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. You didn't like it? Well, I'm sorry. Not much I can do. Let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.